day 28. Sorry I didn't post the last 3 days. Something's been going on every time I try to post a video. Because I have a really good video that I wanted to post for you guys. It was bowling with Ariana, but it didn't let me post it for some reason. I tried last night, I tried the night before, it wouldn't let me post. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, but I hope today's video posts. I might, in an upcoming vlog, put a clip of us bowling. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing today. I'm going to school now, so I will see you guys after school. I'm sorry I didn't post again. Sorry I didn't post yet. And yeah, I'll see you after school. If my eyes look dark under because I was wearing mascara yesterday and I wiped it off and it went. So yeah. But I don't know why I keep talking. But guys, I'm sorry and I will see you after after school. Okay. It's after school. Yeah, I know. Already? Yeah, I know. Right? Yeah. So we are going to make some chocolate cupcakes with peanut butter inside. Yum, right? Yeah, guys, let's go do it. Yeah. Or chocolate and peanut butter mixed together. Yeah, let's go do it. Okay? Maybe that's today's vlog. Who knows?
She said, she's like, oh, that's a lot.
Oh, that's melt. I ate half of it yesterday, so I still have this half for today to melt. And we're gonna see if we can make some little cupcakes, and we're gonna freeze them and spray the pan in.
I know.
Good stuff.
I guess we'll use it for this then.
I'll pop the pimple.
I think it's $2.50 for the year.
I'll do it for 30.
I thought it was per quarter.
Actually, I don't know. Maybe then.
Either way.
Dang. 30 seconds. See you when it's done. So guys, I melted it. As you can see, it's still, oh my gosh, really hard. And yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go see if I can melt it again. Okay. Got it out of the microwave again, so let's mix. Still a bit of chunks, but we'll see if we can mix those in. I don't think we'll even have enough to do it, but I can always add more peanut butter to it. So I'll go put it in for like another 10-15 seconds. So guys, add more peanut butter. I melted it. I added more peanut butter to it. We don't have that much, but we'll add more peanut butter because I have some peanut butter here. It's probably gonna be a little too peanut buttery. But that'll be okay. So now we will start putting the chocolate into these little. Dang, I forgot to spray it. Ow. Let me scoop it out. Let me get the spray. I got the spray, guys. So now we are going to spray. Oh, that was, I think, a little too much. It's gonna be some oily cupcakes, chocolate cakes. Everyone, let me wipe it off a little. I don't know if I forgot to tell you that I put them in already and I only had 4 to make actual cakes, so we're gonna add a little touch to it and we're gonna freeze it. So let me get the little touch. Okay? Okay. I don't know if I told you that I already filled them up or that I was going to. I have chocolate on my hand. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna put a marshmallow in each of them. I might do half. Who knows? Actually, yeah. I'll do half. Let me cut it in half. Get a knife. A puffy pimple. I'm sorry. Hope that wasn't like in the thumbnail or anything. That'd be creepy. So I'm cutting opened the marshmallow and I'm gonna split it for each of them. So yum. So I put one right on in there, and then maybe I'll spread it at the end. Put one right on in the middle. These are gonna be some yummy cupcakes, guys. By the way, guys, I want to be like nice and a good YouTuber, so I hope this is good content. I'm weird. Yeah, I know. So you don't have to tell me twice. Alright, now I'm going to spread. That's my little sister. I don't know if you can hear her, but if you did, that's her. Spreading the chocolate like right over the marshmallows, chocolate and the peanut butter, so it can be like blended right on in there. These will be some yummy cupcakes, guys. Get right on in there, right over it. Pop up the pimple. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right on in there. Yeah. It's a knife, and I'm doing it with a knife. Sorry, guys. So, I'm gonna like put some peanut butter right on top so I can cover it. And yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. So guys, I finished them.
Oh, really?
They have peanut butter. Whoa, why isn't it focusing? They have peanut butter on them, and then they have little coconut flakes, maybe to change the flavors, I guess. Coconut's really yummy. So we're gonna go put these. Hi, Randy. We're gonna go put these in. Oh, they also have a hidden marshmallow inside with coconut and peanut butter and all that good stuff. So I forgot about the marshmallow. Let's go freeze it. Whoa. See after it's done. So guys, this is our stuff that turned out. It's nice, nice, and nice. You're probably like, ew, that looks, whoa! Ew, that looks gross. No guys, it is not gross at all. But I will see you guys tomorrow for vlog day 29. For vlog day 29. And yeah, guys. I don't know your password, so I didn't log in. But love you guys. See you tomorrow for vlog day 29. And yeah, I'm sorry I didn't post in 3 days, but sorry. And I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys so much, and peace out. Subscribe and like. Bye.